SERV Robotics has unveiled its third-generation autonomous sidewalk delivery robot, featuring enhanced capabilities and lower manufacturing costs. Equipped with Nvidia's Jetson Orin module, Ouster's Rev7 lidar, and upgraded sensors, the robot offers 5 times more computing power for faster artificial intelligence navigation. It also features a larger cargo bin, smoother suspension, improved water resistance, and 40% faster emergency braking for enhanced safety. With 2,000 units set for deployment in 2025 across U.S. markets with Uber Eats, the new model can carry more goods, move twice as fast, travel farther on a single charge, and operate 6 more hours daily. Dr. Kashani, CEO and co-founder of the company, stated, "Producing a cutting-edge robot that can drive faster and further while running 5 times more AI and slashing costs by half is a true engineering feat." SERV Robotics develops advanced AI-powered low-emission sidewalk delivery robots that endeavor to make delivery sustainable and economical. Shares of SERV Robotics trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol SERV. For more information, or to sign up for our free daily newsletter, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.